Today, we're diving into the world of points and miles, what they are, how to earn them, and how to use them. Welcome to Unleash Your Potential, where we will guide you through everything you need to know to get started in the points and miles game. Let's jump right into it. What are points and miles? Simply put, points and miles are a type of currency. There are three important categories. They are as follows. 1. Airline miles, used to pay for flights with a specific airline. 2. Hotel points, used to pay for hotel stays with a specific hotel chain. 3. Credit card points. This can be used for cash back, statement credits, paid travel, and more. The industries of credit cards, airlines, and hotels are closely intertwined. The goal of this hobby is to use these currencies to travel the world for little to no out-of-pocket costs. Using your points and miles to travel is called an award redemption, a term you'll hear frequently. A key strategy is understanding that points and miles have varying values depending on the program. For example, American Airlines miles are generally more valuable than Delta Sky miles, meaning your American miles will get you more value when booking a flight. How do you earn points and miles? You earn points and miles by signing up for airline or hotel loyalty programs and booking flights or stays with them. The easiest way to earn them is by making purchases with a rewards credit card. Before I learned about miles and points, I used to pay for everything with my debit card. I've since realized that using a debit card is a missed opportunity because debit cards don't earn you points. Anytime you use a debit card, you're spending money without getting anything in return. In contrast, when you use a rewards credit card, you earn valuable points and miles on every purchase, which you can use towards your next getaway. And when I say spend money on anything, I mean anything. Online shopping points, groceries points, car insurance points, cell phone bill points, and much more. All of these earn you points. Depending on your card, certain spending categories might earn you bonus points. For instance, some cards offer bonus points for gas purchases, while others offer bonus points for dining. Before we go any further, let's state the cardinal rule of the points and miles game. Always pay your credit card bill on time and in full every single month. Never spend more than you can afford with a credit card or buy things you wouldn't have bought with cash. This rule is so important that it tops the list of the 10 commandments for travel rewards credit cards. Thou shalt pay thy credit card balance in full every time and on time. So you've opened a rewards credit card, made some purchases, and paid off your bill on time and in full. Now you've racked up a bunch of points. How can you use them to book a trip? This varies depending on the credit card issuer. Most credit card programs allow for direct redemption of points via an online portal, where you can pay for flights or hotels using points instead of cash. This is called an award redemption. The fun of the points and miles game is keeping cash in your pocket when booking a trip or using your points and miles for experiences you wouldn't normally buy with cash, like business or first-class seats. You often get the most value when using points for luxury flights and hotel stays, but ultimately it comes down to personal preference. There are no right or wrong ways to play the points and miles game, as long as you're making your travel goals a reality. In conclusion, we learned today that points and miles are a type of currency. You can earn them by flying, staying at hotels, or making purchases with a rewards credit card. You can use them to travel the world for little to no out-of-pocket cost, and most importantly, always pay your credit card bill on time and in full every month. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed our content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Let's go and unleash your potential with points and miles.